Get to your yes quicker with impression signatures for Microsoft Word. To get started, select the Impression tab on the ribbon bar. This will give you 4 options: Sign my document, Send for signature, Sign and send, as well as a More button, which contains Inbox, Sent, Signed, and Settings. Let's get started with Settings first. In order to use impression signatures for Microsoft Word, you will need to sign in with your impression credentials. You could do this either through your Microsoft or Google account. The Settings page allows you to switch accounts, view your details, and links you to the dashboard should you wish to change any of these settings. Let's start by signing a document. Select the Sign My Document button in the Impression ribbon bar. Here you can choose to rename the document. As default, it will select whatever the document is named as. You can then choose your brand before selecting the Sign My Document button. Note, if this is the first time you're using the add-in on Office 365 Online, you will need to allow pop-ups. To do this, simply select the blocked pop-up icon in the top bar and change it to Allow. Once you're done, you can select OK and then retry. This will open a full screen page for you to sign your document in. Simply follow the steps as you usually would to sign, finish, and accept your document. After you've signed your document, you'll be given the options to download the document, head to the dashboard, or exit. You can then select Back to go back to the Sign My Document page. Let's send a document for signature. Select the Send for Signature button in the ribbon bar. Again, you can choose to rename the document before selecting your brand, adding document security, and adding your signatories. If you have the Impression subscription, you can also add a custom email body. Once done, you can select the Send for Signature button. This will then convert your document to a PDF and send it to the signatory to be signed. This will then load the send page. Note you may need to refresh to get the latest document. Here, after refreshing, you can see the document we've just sent for signature appears. We will go through this in more detail later. Next, let's sign and send a document for signature. Again, you can choose to change the document name, select your brand, add any document security before adding your signatories. You can also choose to add a custom email body and set a signing order. Once this is done, select the Send for Signature button. This will then open a full screen page in order for you to sign the document first. Once again, follow the usual steps to sign, finish, and accept your document. Here I'm going to exit and select Back. This will take you back to the Sign and Send page. Now let's take a look at the More button. This contains the Inbox, Sent, Signed, and Settings pages. Your inbox contains all the documents which require your signature. To sign these, click the drop-down button and then select the Sign button. Once again, a full-page screen will open with the document that needs to be signed. This feature enables you to sign your documents without leaving the program you're using. Again, you can choose to download, head to the dashboard, or simply exit. Clicking back will take you back to your inbox. Notice how the document that we just signed is no longer there. Now let's head to the Send page. This contains all the documents you've sent for signature. Here you can view the document status. As you can see, here it shows that the one document has been signed. You can also track the documents and send reminders. The Signed Document tab shows all the documents which have already been signed. Here you can download the document by clicking the Download button for the document you wish to download. Thank you for watching. Get to your Yes quicker with impression signatures for Microsoft Word.